Welcome. In front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this laptop. So in order to enter recovery mode, you're gonna first of all need to know your recovery keys in case BitLocker gets your PC locked, which I'm gonna show you in the first place, and I'm also gonna show you two ways of how you can enter recovery mode, both when you have and don't have access to your operational system. So the BitLocker basically protects your PC, but it also sometimes accidentally loads up during recovery mode usage, and it happens randomly. So you have to be prepared if you want to enter recovery mode and get to know how to find your recovery key in case BitLocker gets your PC locked, because if it happens and you don't know your recovery key and you cannot basically if you cannot access your recovery keys, then you'll have to reinstall your Windows from USB. By the way, we have a video on our channel about it, so if you whenever you need it, you can go ahead and check it out, but for now I'm gonna show you on a separate device how to check your recovery keys. So first of all, open your web browser, and in your web browser search for aka.ms/myrecoverykey. Use this link to enter it in your path field in order to enter the website on which the recovery keys are located. So now log in to this Microsoft website using your either your email address or phone number, then enter your password right here and press enter, and then wait until you are logged in, and on the following page you'll see the list of recovery keys. So in front of you you'll see a table that has 5 columns: the device name, key ID, recovery key, drive, and key upload date. Basically, if you know your device name, then you can find the matching recovery key using your device name. If you don't know it, maybe you know the date when you set up your Microsoft account on this device the last time, and this will be the key upload date. And if you can't find the recovery key by neither of those, then look for the key ID. It's the most important part, because the key ID is gonna be shown on the BitLocker screen. So in case your device gets locked, simply look at the key ID and find the recovery key that matches your key ID, and then enter the full recovery key into the field in order to unlock your device. And that's basically all the information that you need to know. So now let me return to the laptop. Okay, and if you have access to your operational system, in order to open the recovery mode, what you'll have to do is open the start menu, then start holding down the right shift button on your laptop, select power options and select restart, and keep holding your right shift button until your laptop starts restarting. It's gonna restart into the recovery mode, and you can release the shift button once you see the please wait sign on your screen like this, and then just wait until your device boots up into recovery mode. And in the recovery mode you can navigate using arrow keys to select, enter to confirm, and backspace to exit, backspace to go back. So for now I'm gonna turn off this PC in order to show you the second method in case you don't have access to your operational system. So if in case you don't have access to your Windows, what you're gonna have to do is simply turn on your PC by pressing the power button for a second, and then once it starts booting up, just hold it down once again, the power button, in order to make it shut down. Now turn it on again by pressing the power button, and then repeat the process by shutting it down. Now usually at the third attempt, but sometimes later, you will see the preparing automatic repair sign like this, and at this point you don't have to do anything, just wait until your device boots up. And yes, this time we got a BitLocker screen. So right now I'm gonna locate the recovery key which matches the key ID. Basically you have to look for the first part, which is this string of characters. So simply find this string of characters in the table and enter it into this field, and then we'll be able to access recovery mode. Okay, so I found the matching recovery key, and I entered it into this field. Now simply press enter to confirm and wait until your device is unlocked. And now it's unlocked. You'll see the diagnosing your PC sign. So just wait until your device boots up, and we are gonna boot up straight into recovery mode from now. Now use arrow keys to select right arrow key to select advanced options, press enter, and you're gonna end up in the recovery mode. Now you can open troubleshoot, for example advanced options, and do whatever you need in the recovery mode, but for me I'm gonna go with continue option in order to boot up into the Windows. And that's basically it. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.